Hey humans, and probably the AIs that are watching this as well. So this is going to be a quick how-to on customizing your video overviews in NotebookLM. I've done a video previously talking about what video overviews are in NotebookLM and how you can use them and why you can use them as well. But today we're going to talk about how to customize them. So you make sure you get what you need from them. And actually, this is recent because Google has just made some changes to how video overviews work. So we're in one of my notebooks at the moment with some research I've been collating for a very long time now. And if you want to create a video overview, all you have to do is go over and click video overview here, and that will give you a video overview of all of the sources that you have in your notebook. But actually what I want to do is, before doing that, is actually change a few settings on what do I want this video overview to be? And there's a couple of new things that I want to make you aware of. So one is that we can now change the format of these videos. So previously they were just super long. You didn't really have kind of any opportunity to customize that at all. Now you can. So you get this explainer feature or you get this brief feature. So explainer just means long. Brief just means, 3 to 5 minutes, whatever works. Again, you can choose language now. So I know some people on a previous video were saying that they couldn't get it in their local language. Hopefully now you can, because there seems to be quite a bit on here. Now, the very recent addition is with Google's Nano Banana image generator and also VO3, which is their video generator. They have combined these two models to now let you select the visual style that you want for your video. So you can go with an auto select where it will just pick for you. It will go for the classic one, which if you've seen my previous video, you would have seen an example in there. But what we can do is pick all these different ones. So we have Whiteboard, which feels more educational, retro print, anime, etc. So I'm going to click anime. And then the final thing that we can do is basically say, what should the AI host focus on? Now, this is a exact replica of a feature that is in the audio overviews for NotebookLM, and the same principles apply here. So you can see some examples that you're given. What you're able to do is say, well, what should I focus on specifically? So I'm going to say, focus on the low-level prompting skills humans need to make the most of corporate AI tools. That's a bit ambiguous, but we'll roll with it. So once we've done that, I've set to brief, I've set to my visual style, my language, of course, and what should I focus on? I can just hit generate, and then I will get my video. Now, that's all I want to show you in terms of this how-to. If you want to see what that video looks like, I will patch it on to the end of this. But that's all you need to know. It's pretty simple. I have no doubt they will keep updating this. But as always, I hope you find this helpful, and I will speak to you in the next one.
So what skills do you actually need to work with AI? It might not be what you think. We hear a lot about Gen AI being this magic button for productivity. But is it really that simple? The reality is way more interesting. Let's dig into what some new studies are actually telling us. Okay, think of AI like an exoskeleton. It boosts your skills, but only while you're wearing it. And the boost is huge. With AI, some workers performed nearly 50% better on totally new tasks. But here's the catch. Take the exoskeleton off, and those new skills? Poof, gone. Nothing was actually learned. So you're not learning the skill, you're just borrowing the capability. That's a really key distinction. All right, so if it's not a teacher, what is it? How about this? Think of AI as your teammate. And get this, one person paired with AI performed just as well as a two-person team. That's wild. It's like having a digital collaborator that gives you all the benefits of a human partner. This teammate helps bridge knowledge gaps so you can think way outside your usual lane. And a cool side effect? People using AI actually felt better at work. More excitement, less frustration. Okay, so if AI is our new teammate, how do we become a good partner to it? The research suggests a pretty clear 3-step job for you. It all starts with the problem. It's about having an engineering mindset, not coding, but breaking big problems into smaller, logical prompts. And this is huge. The AI couldn't solve these problems alone. It needed your guidance at every step. And last, you have to vet the output. You are the final quality check. That's where your expertise matters. But hold on, there's a really important catch to all this power that you need to know. This is kind of mind-blowing. People who used AI were actually worse at spotting what it couldn't do. That's right. The more they used it, the less they understood its boundaries and its weaknesses. And that's a huge problem. You start trusting bad answers, and your own work actually gets worse. So let's wrap this up. AI is your partner. You need that engineering mindset, and stay skeptical. Ultimately, this is way bigger than just learning new skills. It's about totally reimagining teamwork itself. So, the real question isn't just about the AI. It's about you. Are you ready for this?